Hey everyone, today trade recap for the 5th of May. Today's a Friday. We've been in chop all of this week, unfortunately. We've just been chopping up because we had no news, etc. Let me show you my executions. Shorts were tried here, close break even. Here you can see once again close break even. And then we took this short and then we doubled the size for this one. This one we took um, half size, and then here we doubled because I was so sure, right? So what we see here, let me give you a full breakdown on what happened. I mean, currently in another trade, just entered, saw an opportunity in the market. Um, but matter of fact, okay, so yeah, um, this was the trade. What we were in was a fair value gap, a 15-minute FVG overlapped with a 5-minute. This is exactly what I was expecting. I called it on the live for those that joined. For those that didn't, I mean, you weren't able to hop in this trade and bank. So I was expecting a retrace into this 15-minute gap. Once we got 15 minutes, sorry, it's a 15-minute overlap of the 5 minute. So right over here, right? So we tapped the C, we almost tapped the CE, and at that point in time, I saw that we were supposed to, um, so we almost tapped the CE. We made SMT at highs. Let me hop back to where I took this trade right here. So you could see that ES took this high and NQ didn't. Let me just mark that out a little better for you guys. Um, right there. So ES, NQ, taken, not taken. Bearish MT. Then what else did we have? We had tons of low resistance liquidity. The thing that we're looking for. So what I called out once again, I told the person that was on live, I'm like, listen, we're gonna have a move through this. When we have a move through this, we're gonna get it quickly and very, very nicely. So I told him, I mean, better take the size that you usually take. So full size, don't size down. So whatever you usually risk, take that. And we did, and we banked. So SMT here, we were in the macro. Liquidity was taken. We took a 1 to 4. This was our last TP, and then basically. Um, a 1 to 5 was reached, but we didn't take it. We closed that at 1 to 4, and then that shit immediately reverses to the upside, right? So it reverses to the upside and just keeps dumping. Here, once again, you can see the executions. So we executed right over here. You can see the entry, and we exited right over here, somewhere around here. So, yeah, right there. So, entirely we can say that we close that at a 1 to 3.5. 1 to 3 RR, not bad. I like it, we love it, it was absolutely amazing. So, I can give you a little breakdown of what I'm seeing here in the long run. So, overall, what we have currently is bearish SMT, over like a high time frame bearish SMT. Um, we broke down because of news. Trump again said something about tariffs. So, if we take a fib, take it from here to here. We're at OTE and we're rejecting from OTE. So technically OTE is, let me delete that and delete. So technically OTE is right over here, right? Um, that's OTE right there. So out of a, let's say, for example, hourly, right? What we could take is a 5-minute change of state delivery. So if I wanted to, I could have taken this short right over, right over here. So this short would have been taken. Entry here. Here, let me mark this out for you guys. Entry here. Stop loss right over there. And take profit would be, personally for me, take profit wouldn't be at the lows. I mean, it would usually be at the lows, but it wouldn't be at the lows in this situation. Solely because maybe here or here. So basically just take partial. So 1 to 4 would be full exit. Um, for me, why wouldn't it be at the lows all the way here? Usually it'd be here when we're trending to the downside. But since we are overall 4 hour time frame, we pushed into. So this is a daily fair value gap. Then these are weekly. Here you can take a look. So weekly order block, weekly breaker block. This right here, right? And this is a no, this is the breaker. This is the order, and this is the daily fair value gap. So weekly, weekly, daily, right? We're bouncing off strong out of these, out of the daily PD array, out of the daily fair value gap. So that's my expectations. That's what I'm looking for. I'm seeing if it breaks. Let me just get rid of that. 1 second. You can, as you can see, we have also bullish SMT right here. We have also bearish SMT somewhere around here. I don't have it marked out. Um, but yeah, so bullish SMT is also present. If it breaks this high, if it breaks this high right here, then we will expect more upward movement all the way to the all-time highs. So all-time highs once again aren't far away. We have some more time of sweet price action. I mean, this week's price action was garbage. It was absolute ass. But back when we get the all-time highs, is going to be a pain in the ass trading. So best, I suggest you guys take advantage of the opportunities that the market presents it, to us right now. Also, these are the draws on liquidity. Let me just make that clear. So we'd be looking for shorts out of this, right? And we have tons of PD arrays over here. We bounced out of a daily order block up inside here. So technically, once again, what do we have here? Tons, absolute tons of low resistance liquidity all the way here. This is not a trend line. This is just me indicating to you guys that we have tons of low resistance liquidity. I am not Tori Trades. I am not her father. Don't say that. Don't say that. But that's just me marking out the low resistance liquidity. So once again, what I expect, I mean, a manipulation was made here. I expect it to come down somewhere in this area. We can expect, for example, if we take, I don't really expect it to go back up to these highs. Um, but if we do, that's very strong. Once again, if we close up, I'm pretty sure it was daily or 4 hour. What was I saying? I'm pretty sure I was saying 4 hour. Yeah, if we close the 4 hour above this, then that's very good, and it's telling us about the bullishness overall. So once we get this, I'll be looking for inverses and taking longs out of the inverses of that. Maybe we get a retracement, so we make this a breaker because this is an order block. For those that don't know, I wouldn't be looking for shorts in this order block. I just don't like it because I'm overall, once again, bullish. So I'd look for a retrace back when we close and start taking 15-minute change daily delivery longs and basically scale down to 1 minute and then take 1 minute longs. So overall, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I like to see. And so basically that would be it. Yeah, we have tons of lures. This liquidity that I can just take out. And I'd be once again looking for to get out of the full position somewhere here in the OT once again. So yeah, keep that in mind. Trade safely. You can see that we're like in a crazy chopping market. So you wouldn't want to be trading here. But so yeah, be safe. Follow your risk management. Peace. See you guys on Monday.